Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Oke, sama Ci, berjumpa lagi dengan Angler Seulanga. Oke, pada kesempatan hari ini kita akan nge-vlog baru lagi di jalan menuju ke arah spot di Pelabuhan Ulee Lheu. Oke, pada kesempatan hari ini saya akan bagi sedikit informasi tentang suasananya ataupun keadaan di Provinsi Aceh. Hari ini suasananya sangat cerah, dan bagi buat sahabat mancing yang ingin memancing ke laut, suasananya sangat mendukung. Tapi jangan sampai sore hari. Kalau misalnya sore hari pasti sudah agak berangin. Oke sahabat mancing, tonton terus video ini sampai habis. Semoga sahabat mancing bisa menikmati keseruannya. Dan salam dari saya, Angler Seulanga. Jangan lupa yang baru bergabung di channel ini, jangan lupa di komen dan subscribe, dan jangan lupa memberikan sesuatu yang sangat berinspirasi tentang komentar kawan-kawan semua. Oke, sampai jumpa di spot. Salam satu hobi.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad.
I just wanna stay bad, stay mad. Chip on my shoulder cause they treat me like an outcast. I ain't gonna take that, stay back. I'll be swinging hard till the hits come in all caps. I ain't gonna lay back, pray that someone's gonna help me. Ain't nobody like that. I ain't gonna wait, that's all fact. Give me one shot and I'll never get the throne back. I'm sick of being cautious, I'ma go cause some pain, can't stop this. I'ma steal everybody's lane, call it shoplift. Sick of hearing everyone complain when they thoughtless. Taste the pain, it's like candy canes. It makes me go change into a better frame, into a better name. Society's insane, we all live for fame, yeah. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad. I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
Oke sahabat mancing, kita udah sampai di spotnya. Saya sekarang berada di pas di atas jembatan Ulee Lheu Banda Aceh. Kita akan menikmati suasana sunset ataupun pemain selayar, ataupun ada pengunjung pantai lagi ngopi-ngopi bareng. Dan juga sini ada yang lagi asik bermain mandi-mandi di tepi pantai. Oke sahabat mancing, nikmati aja pemandangannya, semoga terhibur. Dan lanjut.
Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change, play the game that we say. I need a break. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. game face on when I chase like that. Yeah, I play so strong with a knife in the back. I'ma swing home run like a baseball bat. Gonna see me rise if you hate on that. I don't play both sides, doing me no cap. I'ma ride or die for my dreams on tap. I'ma fly real high, you ain't see me slack. No, it's not how you fall, it's how you get right back up. That's how you get tough. Calluses on my hands so rough, yeah, I call your bluff. I'm not the one, mess with me, come out with none. Cause I'm so done, you had your fun. And now you're gonna face down the barrel of the gun. Cause I got a full clip with your name on it. But I'ma let you slide cause you ain't worth it. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want, I'll keep dreaming on. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want, I'll keep dreaming on.